Hey everyone, welcome back to Super Lorcana World. Today is Market Watch. It's time to discuss the Lorcana trading card game market. And boy, oh boy, are things moving really quickly. This is a great news for anyone who wanted to get into the game cheaper for competitive play. Today I have a Market Watch for you. So let's dive right in. And if you like this content, please like, please comment, and subscribe as well. You notice how cheap first chapter booster boxes are. Notice how cheap second booster boxes are. These ones were always cheap. What's the deal? There are more. There are more. We covered it briefly already on the channel, but tournament stores have gotten more stock of set one. This is not a really. This is not. Let's not get confused here. It's not a massive scale reprint. They're not printing the press. They're just more product is available and it's being distributed to game stores all over North America right now. So there's more boxes, both set one and set two, that are being opened in an attempt to get people to buy product, open singles for competitive play, right? That's exactly what's happening right now, and you're seeing stores getting more and more product, which means that our first start of booster boxes and then thereafter are now down in price. This is my recommendation. If you want to invest in this game, this might be your last chance to get set one booster boxes at a good price. This might be it. Okay? This could be your lucky break. Okay? Collectors right now might be a little bit upset because they're down for 300 bucks, but collectors know that 5 years from now, not a big deal. It's going to be okay. It's going to be worth a lot more money. 10 years from now, a lot more money. Right now, collectors are a little bit cringing on the inside, but smart collectors might also keep in mind, okay, let me just buy another few boxes now, or whatever, while it's cheap. That's the correct attitude to have right now. And pick your poison and go for it, okay? So that's really, really important, okay? Now, a couple random cards I want to talk about before we get into the meat and potatoes here. The Queen's Castle is kind of up there in price right now. I don't know if you guys noticed, but this is basically a $5 rare. It's the one that you can may draw a card at start of turn for each character you have here, which is a broken location, which I mentioned when the card was revealed. It's expensive. It's pricey, and people are buying the card. People are buying the card. People are going crazy for the card right now. Get it while it's cheap while you can, because this could be the next expensive rare, which lets me transition now nicely into Maui, who's down to $10. $10. I'm going to explain why, but I have a few things to show you first. But then you're going to see what's going on here. So just come along for the ride, and by the end of the ride, you'll know exactly where you are. Yeah, Maui's down to $10. And Be Prepared is down to $9.50. The rares of set one have dropped in price significantly. Isn't that interesting? All right, let's talk about your enchanted rares just real quick. There are more exciting things to talk about today than enchanted rares. However, some are continuing to rise, and some are actually continuing to fall. So keep an eye on the ones that you want to keep an eye on, and make some money if you can. With more booster boxes available, there are more chances to crack open set one enchanted rares and set two enchanted rares. So people might be able to pull those and sell for a lot of money right now. So expect to see sales like that running around. Okay. Beast. Remember how it was like a few listings away for $60 last week? Now it's a few listings away for $50. That whole trend has dropped $10. We have here Robin Hood. To be fair, hasn't dropped a whole lot. It was in the early 40s. Now it's basically $37, $38. We have Maleficent down to 31 light play and 35 near mint. That's a drop from where it was. We have here Ursula, who actually hasn't really dropped. Ursula has pretty well maintained its price. It's one of the few cards that has not seen a decrease in the last week, basically, since last Market Watch. Then we have Rapunzel here. Also going down a few bucks. It was in the 35s, and now it's in the 32s. Okay. Bell, not a major dip again. Not a major dip. Hard word sound outside. It's up and down, but you know, it's if you look at this, there are good listings obviously here and there come up. And I want to speak to the fluidity of the game for a second. Because so many singles move for this game on a daily basis, you will find deals. Grab the deals when you can. If you see bells for 20s, grab them for 20s. You know what I mean? Like, that's just kind of how it is. Because you could sell for 25 bucks easy, make a little bit of money, call it a day. Or maybe get them while they're cheap. If you don't have no intention to resell, just get them while they're cheaper. Just keep an eye on that. A Whole New World is down to 12. It was 15. Now it's 12. Other legendaries like Jim Hawkins, he's down to 10 bucks. We have Mufasa down to 11 bucks basically. We have here Hades down under 10 bucks. Freaking Tinkerbell's down to 5. Huge drop here. Okay, what's going on? Well, there are lots of people opening boxes of all sets right now. Set 3, not so much because people have been continuously opening set 3 at the same trajectory. But set 1 and set 2 are being opened like we haven't seen in a long time. People are opening them. Stores are opening cases upon cases upon cases again and listing singles. Okay? This means that there are more cards available on the market. The supply has increased significantly. And the demand is being met right now, and it's just fighting that battle right now. This is the time to grab your cards. I would not risk it. If you need some cards for your decks for competitive play, if you're telling me, hey Mario, I need Tinkerbells, grab them while they're 5. If you need Whole New Worlds, grab them while they're 12. If you need Maui's, grab them while they're 10. If you need Maleficent, grab it while it's 31 for light player, 35 for near mint. Don't play games, okay? Because especially with set 1, this surge will end a lot quicker than you think it will. And maybe you'll miss out, okay? Maybe you'll buy Maleficent for 35 bucks and maybe it'll drop to 32. That's a lot better than 40. A lot better than 40 plus. And a lot better, you know what I'm trying to say, right? And this applies to all the older cards. Your window of opportunity is here, but it's not a gaping large window of opportunity, okay? If you need cards, you grab cards now. That's what I would do. That's what I would do. I wouldn't try to play any games right now, because as far as we know, this isn't even like a real, super real, big bang Christmas, winter, first chapter reprint. It is not that. It isn't. This will expire soon, and then that's it. So just be smart, be prepared. It's funny. I made a card joke. All right, other things real quick before I wrap up. A $3 common pre-sale is obviously stupid. Do not buy the pre-sales. Just don't do that. Tamatoa is another card that has went down a lot. If you like Tamatoa, it's down about half price from what it was. It's pretty cool. Lastly, Flynn Rider. Flynn Rider has been slowly sneaking upwards. Now it's 2+ shipping. And it keeps going up apparently. Well, Emerald Aggro is not going anywhere. And this card will continue to see play in Emerald Aggro. And does continue to see play in Emerald. So that explains why it's going up in price right now. Check your bulk. You might have some goodies there. That's it for today, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Today is a great gift to everyone. Take advantage of it while you can. And with that, I'll see you later. Goodbye.